Hello everyone, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're making a simplified but incredibly delicious recipe for baked cabbage with chickpeas. This combination creates a naturally sweet, nutty flavor and a satisfying texture. It's a healthy vegan dish, and it's full of fiber and plant-based protein, perfect for nourishing your body. I already have a similar video on the channel, but only with subtitles. I made this video to get your opinion. Do you prefer to watch my videos with sound, or are subtitles enough? Please write your opinion in the comments. So you will need half a head of cabbage, about 500 grams. Cabbage becomes beautifully caramelized when baked, slightly sweet and tender. And 1 can of chickpeas. Chickpeas give this dish a creamy texture and are packed with protein and minerals. Drizzle it with a small amount of vegetable oil, just enough to help the cabbage roast to a golden state. Then season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper. These simple seasonings enhance the natural sweetness of the cabbage. You can add 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. It gives a warm, cozy note, a little unexpected, but so delicious. If you prefer a milder aroma, you can use half a teaspoon of curry. Curry adds a gentle spice and a hint of earthiness if you prefer that instead. I prefer cabbage without these spices. Now we can send the cabbage to the oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. And we'll move on to the next part of the dish. Melt a tablespoon of butter in a skillet. Add 1 teaspoon of honey or maple syrup. A touch of sweetness balances the spices and deepens the flavor. Drain the liquid from the chickpeas and add them to the skillet. This step allows the chickpeas to soak up all those amazing warm spices. Sauté everything on low heat for about 5 minutes, stirring carefully. Then, for a pop of flavor, add a tablespoon of lemon juice and also a tablespoon of lemon zest. The lemon really brightens everything and lifts the whole dish. Continue to simmer for another 3 minutes, then remove from the heat and set aside. Now for the dressing. Add 1 teaspoon of apple or wine vinegar. It adds a bit of tanginess that brings balance and contrast. 1 teaspoon of honey. And finally, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. This makes the dressing silky and helps it coat the vegetables beautifully. A simple yet incredibly flavorful and satisfying vegan dish, ready in just over 30 minutes. It's comforting, light, and energizing all at once. Ideal for any day of the week. The sweetness of the roasted cabbage pairs perfectly with the spiced chickpeas. Each bite is full of contrasts, sweet, savory, and gently spicy. And the zesty dressing brings it all to life. It ties all the flavors together and leaves your palate refreshed. I really hope you'll try this simple recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy your meal. See you in the next video. Bye!